Cowboy Chris coming at you again, live from Amateur Radio Field Day. It's 1:45 in the morning, Sunday morning. I just didn't get a chance to really. I was kind of busy with operating, but yeah, I'm not smoking a pipe right now. But I may go out and and then tack another video onto this one. But I'll turn this so you can see this. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, this ain't gonna be too good a video, but I just want to get on here and kind of show you my other hobby. And I did smoke a small bowl my Metro 965 yesterday afternoon, waiting before we could get on. So as you can hear in the background, that's a shout out to all my ham pipe smoker buddies, Hillman and my good buddy Red, and Ladon, he's a ham also. So well, I'll cut this short and might get back on here and maybe do a little pipe video a little bit later on. So with that, I'll catch you in a bit. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm smoking my Dr. Graybo, and in it I've got Sir Walter Riley. Well, there's a kind of a story behind why I'm smoking. Yeah, I'm smoking a drugstore blend, but there's kind of a story behind this. I'm a big I like to watch In the Heat of the Night TV series, and Carol O'Connor in this TV series smokes Sir Walter Riley, so I thought might as well give it a shot. Just had to come out here and kind of walk around a little bit and get up. I was sitting too long, so I hope all my ham buddies are doing pretty good. I think Hillman said he was gonna maybe try to do it field day from his home, so at least that's what he said on Instagram. I posted my first smoke of Sir Walter Riley on Instagram, and so, and well, it's not too bad. So, well, I don't want to keep you all, and I don't want to. I'm hoping I can upload this 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 second half, get both videos uploaded to YouTube, and so with that, I'm gonna catch you all later. So this is Pipe Smoker Cowboy Chris signing off. 73 and 88 to my lady subscribers. So this is Pipe Smoker Chris out of here. Keep smoking the good stuff, and God bless.